Ever wondered what makes a website? It all begins with HTML, the foundation of all web pages. HTML, standing for Hypertext Markup Language, is the backbone of any web page you visit. Think of it as the skeleton that gives a web page its basic structure. It's like building a house where HTML is the steel frame, providing the structure onto which everything else is added. It's an essential language in web development, setting the stage for a website's appearance and functionality. Without HTML, web pages would just be text and images without any structure or formatting. One of the fundamental building blocks of HTML is the tag. Picture a tag as a container that holds and gives meaning to the content it surrounds. It's like a label that tells the browser, hey, this is a paragraph, or this is a heading. It's the way we, as coders, communicate with the browser to structure our web content. For instance, if we want to create a paragraph, we use the tag. This tag wraps around the text and tells the browser that the enclosed text forms a paragraph. Similarly, if we have a heading, we use the tag for the main heading, for subheading, and so on. Remember, tags are always written between less than and greater than brackets, like so, but don't forget to close them. Most tags need a closing tag, which looks like this. So tags are like the scaffolding that gives a web page its structure. The next important building block of HTML is the attribute. Think of attributes as the icing on the cake, providing extra details to our HTML tags. They nestle comfortably within the start tag, offering additional information about the element in question. Now, every attribute comes in pairs, a name and a value. The name is the type of attribute, and the value is the information or effect it applies. Let's take a look at an example. Consider the style attribute in a paragraph tag. Here, style is the name of the attribute, and whatever follows, say color, red, is its value, turning our text a vibrant red. Attributes then are like the decorators, adding color and style to our structure. Finally, let's discuss the third building block of HTML, the element. Imagine a building. It's made up of individual bricks, right? Similarly, an HTML file is made up of individual components. These are what we call HTML elements. Now, what exactly are these elements? Well, everything you write within tags in an HTML file are termed as HTML elements. Let's take a look at an example. The paragraph tag enclosed within the less than and greater than signs and the content inside it, say, this is a paragraph, together constitute an HTML element. It's like a brick in our building analogy. Elements are like the bricks, each one a part of the structure, giving it shape and substance. So, we've explored the three main building blocks of HTML. We've delved into tags, which give meaning to content, attributes that provide additional information, and elements, the individual components of an HTML file. Understanding these building blocks is your first step towards mastering the art of web development. Happy coding!